Hi there, my friend. Today I am going to be sharing with you an unboxing, a little overview, and some ideas on how I plan to implement these Bible studies from Not Consumed. This is our first time using them, and I have to let you guys know that we are absolutely loving them. The reason why I went ahead and got the Not Consumed Bible studies for our family is because one of the goals that we have this year with our family is to implement some really good quality family devotions. So typically I spent the last 2 weeks in December just reflecting, meditating, and really thinking about the year and how it has gone and what are some goals that I could set for myself, or what are some family goals that we can set all together. And this is one of the ones that really my husband and I discussed, and we thought this would be something that was great for our family to once again do Bible studies. Now, before we started homeschooling, this is something that I used to do with the kids, but it wasn't Bible studies like the ones that we have gotten from Not Consumed. These studies are truly high quality and amazing. I'm going to share with you the unboxing of when I first received these Abide series. I was so happy and so excited. So I'm going to walk you through with everything that comes included. If at any point you find this to be something that your family might enjoy and you're interested in getting them, I do now have an affiliate link for Not Consumed that you can go ahead and check out in the link below, and it'll send you to it. I got one for my son who is 11 years old and one for my daughter who is 7. And I am just so excited about doing these studies together with them. Look just how beautiful this box is. So it tells you the suggested order of the study, and it has 5 of them. Along with the book studies, we also have these little die. I have to see how is it that we are going to use them, but it says like bless someone, do their chore, or have a raise. And then the pens. This comes in both of them. These are going to be our special utensils for our Bible study time. And I think like my kids get so encouraged by pens and stationery. And quite frankly, I'm the same way. So I'm really excited about those. So they both got the dies and then the pen collection. Along with that, there are some stickers. And then here is this particular Bible study. So this is the junior one. This is the primary one. So the junior one is the one that is for my son. So keep thy heart, fruit of the tongue, do right, a content heart, work unto the Lord. So 5 of them. And then the primary one has the same exact studies, except that they are, ooh, wait, there's stuff in back. Oh, I didn't notice. This is cool. Okay, this is my first time ordering from them, so I'm really excited about this. This is the primary one, and as you can see, the cover is a little bit different for the primary one than the junior one. And then something that I'm just noticing now is that it comes with stuff in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these right here just to show you what they look like in the primary and the junior. These are so nicely packaged. My kids are gonna be so excited. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let the kids open them as we finish a Bible study at a time. Like we can't open the contents in the next one until we're done with the one we currently work on. So this one right here comes with these cards. So the junior challenge. So it comes with challenges. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and week 5. And like the stuff for week 1 is next time you hear or see something you know is wrong, walk away or turn it off so you can keep junk out of your heart. This is awesome. When you're tempted to murmur and complain this week, say 3 things to show thankfulness or contentment with what you have. Wow, I'm already being ministered. The next time you feel prideful, get your mind off yourself and humbly think about what you can do to help or listen to someone else. This is amazing, guys. Like, these are challenges 1 per week. I have a feeling this is just gonna be like a whole family challenge. And there is a bookmark and stickers, which my kids absolutely love stickers. And then here is the study itself. So when you open it up, it's for 25 days. So, ooh, this is nice. Wow. So it has some background here. We have our Bible. It says to read Jeremiah 17. And what does the Bible say about the heart? I think this is so well put together and so guided. I love this. Like, this is really amazing. I think the entire family is just gonna love this. This is so good, guys. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna pack it up for my son. And then this is the primary one. And the primary one is coming with the exact same thing that the junior one is coming. It seems like. So it comes with the stickers. It comes with the bookmark. And then it comes with the primary challenge. Let's see how different they are. So the next time you see or hear something you know is wrong, walk away or turn it off so you can keep your, okay. So it seems to be like the same challenge, which works out great. It's just illustrated a little bit differently. So see how it's still the same challenge, just this one has bigger font and a bigger picture than this one. And then the front of the cards match. And then here is the primary workbook. 25 days as well. Okay. But there is less fill in the blank. So this one is more of draw a picture of a sick heart. What cost is this? Have you asked God to save your sick heart? Draw about that life-saving time. Who was with you and where were you? So this is a little bit different than this one. Let me show you guys the difference in that. Okay. So if we see here, it's made more so that over here, like the kids are writing different things and they're, you know, answering as they go. And this one, it's less writing that they have to do. And then over here on the primary one, they have to draw a picture, while here, and it has more scripture to refer to. This is the second one for the junior. And then this is the second one for the primary. You see this? I honestly am so excited about this, guys. I think this is gonna work so amazing for our family devotions. So I'm gonna talk to you guys, how is it that I am planning on implementing these, because I'm going to be giving these as a gift to my kids tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday, and it's typically when we're home in the mornings. I do homeschooling with them. We do ELA and we do writing, but they don't have a Bible class because they do Bible class typically with their homeschooling day and with our Rebecca curriculum. And I was looking for something that was something that the kids would be able to apply to them in their spiritual growth with God, because boy, do they have a lot of knowledge. The curriculum that we have used for our homeschooling is amazing. We use Rebecca, and let me tell you, they have acquired so much knowledge from that curriculum, and it has been amazing. So I feel like this is going to give them what they need to just now take what they know, the knowledge that they have, and put some practicality to it. A couple of reviews that people had done online. I went onto their website. I, of course, looked up at the company, the testimony of Kim, who is the owner of this company, and I absolutely loved her testimony and the reason why the company was called Not Consumed. And I was like, wow, you know, this is a woman that used to be a teacher. This is a woman that has been through a lot and has homeschooled her children. I was like, I think this is going to be something that our family will enjoy, and I went ahead and I took the plunge. Now, I purchased the Abide series, and I bought this when they were having their end of the year sale. So I got them at a pretty good discount. I think they go for $46 right now, but with the discount that they were given with the end of the year sale, I think I got them for like $25 each. It ended up being 50 something dollars. I'll go ahead and put the actual price right here so you guys can see. But I ended up getting the free shipping because if you sign up for like their newsletter and whatnot, it sends you a coupon for free shipping, and it was pretty awesome. And I have to say, I absolutely loved how well put together the shipping was for this. From the tape that has the Bible verse with Not Consumed on it, to how everything was so nicely and tight packed so nothing would get messed up. It was really high quality. All right, so how is it that we are actually implementing this in our home? Well, we actually already started and we are loving it. Like, the kids were just so excited about this, and we are a couple of lessons in, or a couple of days in, and they are absolutely enjoying it. I love how it's made so that it's relatable to the kids, and it's something that is applicable to them. It starts with the heart. You know, it talks about like the physical heart and the heart disease, and then it talks about our spiritual heart, which I think is very important, and for us to understand the importance of us keeping our heart. And I loved how it has broken it up in a way that both of my kids are actually understanding this. It was so funny because the first day that we actually did this was on a Saturday, and when my husband came home from work, the kids were so excited to share with him what they had done for that day. They pulled out their book. They're like, look, Dad, look at what I did. Look at how I answered this. It was really cool, and this pen goes with this particular book that we are working. And I've made it so that we only use those pens for when we're doing this series. So they get so excited that they use their special pens on it. So they were sharing with my husband everything they did. They were so proud. My husband was so amazed that he actually told me I should do a review and share it with my followers. That's how much he loved this. How is it that we're actually implementing this particular series in our home? I know that, you know, we have kind of like it seems like very busy because we work and we homeschool, but the truth is that when it comes to the salvation of our kids, there is no time, there is no money in the world that can be put as a price or as a time to their salvation. This is something that is eternal. Therefore, to us, that is a priority. So when it comes to our time, we want our kids to be able to have a really strong value, to develop their own relationship with Jesus. So to us, this is really important. So the way that we're implementing this is that on Saturdays and Sundays, when I'm homeschooling the kids, typically we work on English language arts, which is reading, spelling, vocabulary, and writing. And then we also do some of the like art. We do like the special classes art. Before we start that, we're doing our Bible study right after breakfast. Honestly, it takes 15 minutes. That is not a long time at all. And it's something that is not high risk, and they are actually enjoying to do. What I actually let the kids do is that after we are done with the Bible study, they can use the writing utensil they want to work on their schoolwork, and they are very happy about that. It's amazing, the power of a pen. If you guys have ever used any of these not consumed Bible studies, go ahead and let me know in the comments below, because I always love to hear from you and see what your thoughts and ideas are about these Bible studies, and if you guys are liking them as much as our family is enjoying them. If you are interested in seeing how is it that we homeschool our children, go ahead and click on this next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!